This is Lori, and I'm at the National Hardware Show here in Las Vegas, and I got a really neat cleaner. They have a spray-on. It's called CleanerAll, and they have the spray-on where you can spray and wipe. And also, if you want to do a little more scrubbing power, you can put it a little bit on a sponge, and it's amazing what it does. It can clean up all sorts of copper, your different metals. Look at the grime on there that it takes off. And the best part of it is it's completely safe as far as there's no harsh chemicals or anything. You don't need to wear gloves. There's no odor to it. It's perfectly safe, environmentally safe, and it's great. Kids can even use it. If they make messes, you can let them clean it up. So if they do graffiti on areas in the house on your countertop, they can clean it off. Just simple as that. And of course, again, with silverware and your faucets, anything that needs to be cleaned up, this is a really great product here. It's CleanerAll, and I was told that it lasts a super long time. So if you have more product and you need to get a new sponge, they actually sell the sponges separate. And then to purchase this, go to Etsy.com, and you can find all the products you need for this. Great product.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.